will be connected to the central command center of the province. So from the province, the command center of the province, they will be able to view what's happening in the school. So these are not independent CCTV cameras that will be viewed by the SGB or the principal alone. These ones are going directly, it's a direct feed. So they'll be running permanently. So these 90 schools that we are starting with, they will be connected to the central command. Ultimately, we want cameras in all schools. I know sometimes some schools are doing well, so they are fine. But ultimately, we want to know the safety of our learners and educators. It's very important. So we will be, at the ultimate end, all schools will be connected to CCTV, will have CCTV cameras. I know at some point we had some cameras that were installed in some schools and designated areas. We will improve them and resuscitate them, those CCTV cameras. But more important is the linkage. Currently, Gauteng, we've got 2,048 schools on record that I know have access to internet. So if we have this access to internet, we'll have access to your school. And we've got about 500 that we have connected through our Gauteng broadband. And another 1.5 schools have opted to use private internet service providers, which is still fine as well. So furthermore, we then move, that's on the physical aspect of things. There will be securities in schools, there will be search and seizure, random searches in schools. We will be a doctor corps, police will be coming randomly to the schools. They will have the wardens present into the schools, so that we protect the infrastructure and protect the safety, improve the safety of learners and educators. We are